The Luminance Kick-Off event at Mitch Park was a great success, with performances from the Edmond Youth Choir, the Oklahoma Youth Ballet, and a stunning drone show by Dynamic Skies. Afterwards, visitors walked amongst 34 different lighted displays and enjoyed other fun activities.
We've had so many people tell us that this is something they look forward to every year because it's a great chance for them to come and make memories with their family, take pictures of the kids. Apparently there's a lot of Christmas cards that the images come from right here at Kickoff Night at Luminance because they take pictures with Santa or with the displays, with the big Christmas tree. So we know that the community really loves this and we're looking forward to continuing to grow it.
Unfortunately, not everyone was a fan.
I hate it. All the lights and colors and children everywhere.
No, he loves Luminance. It's awesome.
Luminance, an Enchanted Stroll, is a free event located in Mitch Park. Presented by Edmond Electric, it's open every evening from 5 to 10 p.m. and runs until January 1st. Nearby is the Edmond Ice Rink, where visitors can rent skates and make cool memories with a family. There will be another Merry Marketplace event on December 14th, with vendors selling holiday treats. Santa will be there too, along with a face painting booth and food trucks.
Luminance is a great place to come just to have a really, truly laid back, passive experience with your family that allows you to enjoy not only holiday displays and Christmas lights and all of those great things, but gives you a chance to enjoy one of Edmond's true treasures, which is Mitch Park.
Mitch Park is located at 1501 West Covell Road. For more information about Luminance, visit edmondlights.com.